Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we're going to unbox this little storage container unit from ArtDot. So ArtDot reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review their storage container, and I did definitely want to. It's a really cool little thing. Hi Sadie. Sadie's checking it out. Hi Sadie. Yes, I see you. It's a really cool little thing, and it's got these 4 drawers, and I've taken some of the vials out of the bottom drawers, but each drawer has 24, I think, vials in it. And so it's a total of 96 for this whole thing. And then it has this thing on top, and this comes off if you want it to. Very cool. And it comes with this little funnel that you can, little silicone funnel that you can put your beads in the little vials with. So these little vials are screw-on lids, and they're like 2 inches tall, and they're really nice. They're totally clear so you can see what's inside, and I just really like this little container. So let me pause the video, and I'm going to show you the current state of what I'm going to put in here. So these are all of my tiny sparkly beads, and I have 2 shelves like this. They're pretty sitting out, and I've taken a lot of them off already because I've already started putting a bunch in those containers. But they're very difficult to find anything, and I can't tell what I have, and they're far away from my desk, so, you know, out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. So I am going to organize all of these tiny beads into those vials in that one container. And here is the process of me doing that. Wow. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess, but it's going to be nice when it's finished. So this is the current state of my desk. Full transparency. You all can see how messy it is at the moment. Yeah, so I will come back when this is all done and show you the finished result. Okay, so here's the current state. I have emptied out all the little containers. I've only got 4 left. And I know it looks like a hot mess, but it's really not as hot of a mess as it looks like. I'm actually narrowing things down, and I've decided that if I have more beads than containers to fill this little thing, I'm getting rid of some beads. So stay tuned. Okay, here's the current state of things. Looking better. The drawers are completely full now, and I have put some of the little vials on top. These aren't really... These are just different styles of little sparkly beads that I really wanted to keep and have, you know, to use. So far, this is how we're going. Still got a mess there, but it'll all come together, hopefully, in a few minutes. Okay, so here is my finished project. Let's pull back here so you can see the desk now. So yay, it's clean, it's all organized, and everything is wonderful again. I have got to say I love this little container. So these are my little containers that I had from the Dollar Tree that I had all of my other stuff in. And I just kept a few of them on the top of different beads that I wanted to keep. But look at these drawers. Oh my goodness, look how organized by color. And I love these little silicone tabs they have on these too. They're different. I've never seen that before. Really like them. So this is way, way better. There's still room up top. If I wanted to put something else, I could. But I haven't yet. But I just stacked it up on this other shelving system that I had. And I think that I will get a lot more use out of these beads now because they'll be here where I remember them, because over there on the other shelf, I just did not think about them. So, yeah, I love this little system. Now, this also came with some stickers. So here they are, this little sheet. Like, you could stick these on the top of all of these if you wanted. And I said there were, I think, 96. There's 190. Some of these little containers in here. So it is a huge amount of stuff. So I will link I'll put a link in the description box if you want to go check it out. It is artdot.com. And oh my goodness, I've got to say, I really love the quality of this little container. I mean, it is I cannot believe the amount of beads that are in there. It's just insane. But yeah, great quality, great little product. It's not huge, so it doesn't take up a huge footprint on your desk, but it really holds a whole lot of stuff. I mean, a whole lot of stuff. So yeah, really, really nice. I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy, and that will get you 10% off. So yeah, I'll link everything in the description box below, and you guys can check it out. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks for being on my channel. I know there are lots of other channels that you could go to, and I so appreciate you being here. I just want you to know. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.